which has been given to me to speak over here before the eminent bankers as well as the stakeholders. Actually, before I touch to the issues what I am facing at the ground level, I would like to say that CSC governance, we are working in the 3 layers. CSC governance at the top, and we are working through these SCS, means Service Center Agencies, which are appointed by the respective state government agencies, and the VLE, which is working under him, because they are appointed by the ultimately SCS, they are at the ground level. So I have visited at many places to see what are the exact problems, because it's a VLE who is facing the actual problems, and rather he is the only person, he is from that village, and he reposes the trust of the people over there. For that reason, it is called the VLE level entrepreneur. Since he is already providing G2C and B2C service, particularly at all the CSC centers, and besides this, we are also providing them this banking services, insurance, this Aadhaar card system saving over there, as well as this education services. Now, we are having the network of 1.40 lakh CSCs across the countries. Earlier, our model was that against every 6 villages there was 1 CSC. Now the position is that after every 5 villages we are having the CSC. Now we have done the rollout of the banking software only up to the 18,000 places. What is the reason behind it? Why we could not move further? When I joined over here after retirement from the banking life, so I thought it's very easy just to provide a, because every CSC is having the infrastructure, every CSC is having the laptop is there, or desktop is there, and everything is there. But he was not having the micro ATMs. This one is biometric device. This may get cost only 3,000 rupees. Just we have to provide him that only, then he can start the banking work. But when we went at the ground level, the banking system, they came out with the system of SSA, means Sub-Service Area Approach. Now in the country, we are having 640 districts. Let these districts be divided among all the banks. So this means our SCA, Service Center Agency, particularly the person who was here, he will be struggling only with the one bank only. Now in the same district, there are many banks, so about 8 to 10 banks are there. He will deploy the resources to understand the system of the one bank, because problems come only at the link branches. They are not aware of the process involved. They are not aware what the system is. How to approve the customer account. Customer account has been opened and they are not aware. Because the sensitization at the ground level has not been done. That is the main problem. Link branches have to be taught about it. Moreover, just opening the account is not sufficient. What will happen after 26th of January? Because now the people, they are deploying, many companies, many VCs are coming up just for the, because 20 rupees amount is to be paid from opening account. What will happen after saturation? They have to sustain themselves only because of transaction. So this means transaction value can be done only by 2 ways. Either they have to calculate the average of the saving. Number 2, either from the DBT. DBT government is doing, that is true. But something should come from his own side for his sustainability. Means that G2C and B2C services, other services are required to be provided to him to make them sustainable. Because we know only VC model is not sustainable for him. This has proven. This means that he has to come to the CSC ecosystem so that he may get these services. The first issue which I talked to you about the link branches problem, because they thought that it is a charity, not a business. So a lot of time was wasted just to make them understand. Sometimes what happens, since they are not aware, then we have to go to their head of people and talk to them at the level of grant, then they will start to be accountable. So these are the issues. Number second issue was the connectivity. Because most of the people, they are either working on the VSAT, this one dongle, or WiMAX. But some of the places there is no network at all. So the connectivity issue that hampered us on moving further. And the next issue came about the support from the bank. So the customer is sitting before the VLE. He is working, opening the customer, and suddenly the system was not operating. What he has to do? He should be given proper support at the same time. This means that there should be a support mechanism from every bank. Either their common support system should be designed at the state level so that he may talk to them and get immediate support. Otherwise, what will happen? He will get himself frustrated. Customer will go, he will say, yeah, what your system is, what the bank is providing. So this will be unnecessarily deteriorate the position of the bank as well as that of the real. So these are the problems which we face at the event by event, particularly ground level. At the technology support, that enhancing server. Now what is the one? After the introduction of the Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana, number of the accounts were opened. My colleague said, even Lord Jensen also told that about 4 crores accounts have been opened. How these have been opened? What should be the level of the server? How many accounts transactions are hitting the server? So this means that that technology part has come into play just to enhance the capability of the server so as to meet the product objective. At the end, I will say that that the SSA approach particularly, because we are facing a lot of struggle. 1.46 CSCs and only 80,000 working. So this means we have to do something for the remaining rest of the CSC, which are where we have not been able to go over there, where we have not been able to touch over there. SSA approach has to be dispensed with, and it should come out only with that area. Let the banker, real bank over there, he may decide which bank he has to build, and let the every CSC in that particular district, particularly Gram Panchayat and the remaining areas, there should be one model, one desktop over there, means one, so that it should be interoperable. Every customer can go to any place and get the payment. Otherwise, we are restricting himself only to go to the banker, that banker only, and to maintain the account of that banker only. Suppose he is having the account of the other, in case Aadhaar system is not there, then he is not in a position to take the payment. So we are restricting him to that place. Let it be made as an interoperable. Ultimately time will come. All these accounts, all this in the bank account will be made interoperable, and then it will be more sustainable for that also by doing the transaction. In my opinion, had this issue been taken due, we would have not opened only 4 crore as on yesterday. We would have done much more, 6 or 7 crore. We could have reached over here because of these ground level problems. So it's my request that all the bankers are sitting over there, that this issue be taken into account, and so that we may also be a part of the mission of the Government of India for making this Jan Dhan Yojana as a success. Thank you, sir.